Hi friends, welcome to Whizbusters. I'm Emma and today I'm going to show you how to create an input cell where a valid email address must be entered using Google Sheets, like this. To do this, firstly select the cells you want to allow only email addresses as input. So let's select cells E2 to E1000. So we did. So let's scroll back up, click data, and next let's click data validation. A dialog box comes up. The first part is cell range, and that has the range of cells we selected, which were E2 to E1000. Below this is criteria. Here is a drop-down menu which has different options including list from a range, list of items, number, text, date. Custom formula is tick box. Choose the option text. There is a drop-down menu here next to text and there are options which says contains, does not contain, equals, is a valid email, is a valid URL. So choose is a valid email. Below this states on invalid data, and there are two options from which you can choose. Show warning, which means users can type in a value that is not from the drop-down list. And if you do not want users to enter any items other than a valid email address, then select reject input. So let's select reject input, which is the default. You can check the box show validation help text to show instructions when users hover their cursor over the cell. Here is the default text for the instructions. You can change this text if you want to by inputting it here. Click save. So let's try typing in an email address. Let's type whiz@whizbusters.com. So click inside the cell and keep your mouse on the cell. Notice options for emails arose, such as add to contacts, send email, schedule an event, send message, and start a call. So let's try typing in an invalid email address and see what happens. So let's type in Whizbusters. I pressed enter and the dialog box pops up stating there was a problem, enter a valid email. So let's click OK. The reason why this happened is because we clicked reject input and this error came up, which does not allow any invalid email address to be entered in the cell. So suppose we did not check the reject input option like this. So click cell E3 and data validation, show warning, and click save. And then we typed in Whizbusters. Press enter. There is a red triangle at the top right corner which says invalid. Input must be a valid email address. Let's undo this. There you go, my friends. That's how you create an input cell which will allow only valid email addresses. Thank you for watching this video and hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get more videos like this and hit the bell to get notifications of the latest videos out. See you in the next video.